Good night, teacher. My name is Ivan Vargas. I am 29 years old. I am Colombian. I live in Madrid, Cundinamarca with my wife Luisa and my son Angel David. I study electronic engineering. I like to play in video games, reading books, and listening music. Uh, sorry. Um, I dislike drive in the heavy traffic and wait in the bank to pay my dues. Now, I want to talk about my last trip. My last trip was 1 year ago. I visited my cousin Juan. He is Juan. Uh, he lives in Alejandria, Antioquia. Alejandria is located 3 hours outside Medellin. I traveled with my family. Alejandria has great weather. Normally, it has sunny days. And my cousin Juan, uh, has a small tourism business company, and he offered me a tour by the Nare River. The Nare River crosses the town, and we accepted the tour. And it it was fantastic. We started we started the tour in the Nare River Bridge. This bridge, and we we jumped from the bridge into the river. It was incredible, teacher. Then we used flutes to cross the river, and in the middle of the tour, uh, this animal is a capybara. Capybara is chigüiro in Spanish. This animal appeared, and pues, we gave him some carrots, and we took the opportunity to take a photo with him. Is beautiful animal, a capybara. Finally, I want talk about my dream. My dream is travel to Cancun next year because I want to know about the Mayan culture, and to know its beautiful beach. This is it, teacher. Thank you and good night.